Hello guys, welcome to a new week. This week we are going to learn an important topic, but first our value for July. And it's equity. Equity is a human right. All people have rights and that is just because they are a person, okay? We're trying the rights of peoples of all genders is essential for the construction of just and equitable societies, okay? Remember to practice equity. And then continue with the topic. This week we are going to see the atomic model. So what is the atomic model? Has changed over time. For over 2 centuries, scientists have created different models of the atom. As scientists have learned more and more about atoms, the atomic model has changed, okay? And here is a timeline of some of the major ideas. And then we have Dalton, Thomson, Rutherford, Bohr, also Shad, and Mother, okay? But first, we are going to talk about Democritus. Democritus was a Greek philosopher who is the father of modern atomic thought. He proposed that matter couldn't be divided into smaller pieces forever. He claimed that matter was made of small, hot particles that he called atoms. Okay. Then we have John Dalton in 1808, and John Dalton created the very first atomic theory. Dalton was an English school teacher who performed many experiments of atoms. Dalton viewed atoms as tiny soul balls. His atomic theory had 4 statements. And these 4 statements are: number one, atoms are tiny, invisible particles. Number two, atoms of one element are the same. Number three, atoms of different elements are different. And number four, compounds formed by combining atoms. So this is the fourth theory for Dalton. Then we have Thomson in 1897, and Thomson discovered electrons. He was the first scientist to show that atom was made of even smaller things. He also proposed the existence of a plus particle. His atomic model was known as the Racine bond model. And the Thomson model. Thomson models are made mostly out of plus, charged material like down and in a bond. The negative charged electrons are found inside the positive dot. Okay? And then we have Ernest Rutherford in 1911. And Rutherford discovered protons and the nucleus. So he showed that atoms have positive particles in the center and are mostly empty space. He called these positive particles protons, and he called the center of atoms the nucleus, okay? So this is an example. And then we have Niels Bohr in 1913. And Niels Bohr improved on Rutherford's model. He proposed that electrons move around the nucleus like this in specific layers or shell. Every atom has a specific number of electron shells. Okay, then we have James Chadwick in 1932, and Chadwick discovered neutrons. Working with Rutherford, he discovered particles with no shell. He called these particles neutrons. Okay, neutrons are also found in the nucleus. And the modern model in 1932 was work done since 1920 has changed the model. The new atomic model has electrons moving around the nucleus in the cloud, and it is possible to know where an electron is any given time. And this is all, guys. Thank you for your attention. If you can understand something, I can help you, okay? Have a nice week.